Hi, welcome back. So we have printed your object now. Today what we're going to do is we're going to actually pull your object off of the MakerBot printer, and we're going to show you how to gently pry it off of the build plate, and then we'll go to the next series of videos where it'll be the finishing part. So as you can see on the screen right now, it says it's finished. It took the amount of time. So this particular project, yes indeed, took 16 hours. So that you can just hit X and it will go back, and then use the roll bar here to hit back to the menu, and you can just click on either the knob itself or the actual menu piece here, and we're back to the original screen. So in the earlier video we used a different printer, but they all work the same way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take, as you can see here, this is our build plate, this is where our object is on. We're going to take this off, so this can actually detach. You'll see a handle right here in the front, right above the MakerBot logo, and you're just going to pull it towards you, just like that, and it will unlock and unlatch itself, and now you can actually pull the piece out. So we're going to pull these two pieces out. This was printed for somebody already, for another client, but we're going to pry it. So right now, I can't necessarily take this thing off. It's attached to the build plate. But these build plates are, while very light, they are also pliable. So you heard it. You can actually bend these a little bit. So we just bent it ever so slightly, just to be able to get a couple of these corners here off. So the next tool we're going to use is this, which is a paint scraper. We're going to use this to gently pry both of these things off. So I'm going to pull, I'm just squeezing a little bit, and now you can gently pry it off. So now my object is off of here, and really quickly you're going to see some of these little scrapes and things like that, with these little whiffs. That is the filament just having to go through and everything. The bottom here, this right here, is your support material. This is called a raft, and this is what actually adheres it so that you have a good contact with your surface. So you always want to orient your object so that you have the best raft possible and has the best contact with it. So now this thing is ready to go. You can take it off, and as you can see, my build plate is all nice and clear. I don't have any issues there. So now, once you're done with this build plate, you're going to put it back on by just simply slipping it back on its plate, and then you want to push it so that you hear the click, and you're done. And now you have your object ready to go. So in our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to actually do some of the finishing work on this. So we're going to actually take off this raft, and we're going to get rid of these little wisps and things there. So if you had any questions on that, please make sure to put your questions in the discussion section of the Canvas course, and we'll make sure to answer it for you there. But until next time, thanks a lot.